Hi everyone, welcome back to Programming with Zen. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for job seekers, creating an ATS friendly resume. Because if you have been applying for a job and not getting responses, it might be possible that your resume might stuck in the application tracking software. Because in this video I am showing you a complete ATS friendly resume template, and not only showing this template, you can also download it because I'm providing you the link in the description, and also guiding you how you can make this template for your own customization and skills in it. And also I'm sharing at the end a website where you can make the ATS friendly template. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here is the ATS friendly resume template, which you can also download in the link from the description. Here you can see that in the top you have to add your name, and after that name you have to add your address, your number, your mail, and your LinkedIn profile and GitHub profile link, because it is the most important thing in the website where the recruiter can see your portfolio and also your projects that you have done in the past. After that you have to add your about, where I can add this single line that I am a proficient software engineer with Svelte.js and React.js framework for the front-end development. And you can also add your to the point one or two lining about, where you can explain what you have experience and what you have quality that you gain from your skills and experience. After that you have to add your skill set, strength, expertise and key proficiency, where I add that I am a front-end developer with JavaScript, Svelte.js, HTML, is a basic knowledge of that. After that you have the soft skill like good communication skill, fast learner and team player. And if you have any technical skill, you have to add this like responsive web design and version control. You can add according to your own skills and qualification. After that you have to add your experience. In the experience section you have to add your experiences where you have worked in the past and how you add the value in the respective company with yourself. So after that you simply have to add the projects, that how many projects you have done in the learning phase. You have to add all these things in the project section, and at the last you have to add education, and after the education you have to add your certification. So these are the simple tips that how you can add your experience, your about, your skill set in the CV with ATS friendly resume. You can download it from the description, and the website that I told you, it is the goodcv.com. I also provide the link of this website in the description, where you can find the senior CV template. You can open this template and customize it according to your skill and simply download it, because it is totally free and best template for ATS friendly score. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like and share this video.